Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore bank feed connection for Plaid-linked accounts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your bank feed connection for Plaid-linked accounts, begin by logging into your financial software platform. Navigate to the Settings or Connections section of your account. Look for the option labeled Bank Accounts or Bank Connections. Select the account that is experiencing the connection issue. Click on the option to reconnect or update connection. You will be prompted to sign in to your bank account through Plaid. Enter your bank's login credentials as requested. Make sure to use the same credentials you use for your online banking. If two-factor authentication is enabled on your bank account, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once verified, allow Plaid to establish the connection with your bank account. Wait for the connection process to complete. Review the account details to ensure everything is accurate. If prompted, choose the bank accounts you want to sync. Confirm your selections and save the changes in the settings. Check back to see if transactions are updating as expected. If issues persist, consider logging out and back into your account. Alternatively, you may need to unlink and then relink your bank account with Plaid. If problems continue, consult your financial software's support section for further troubleshooting. You might also reach out to Plaid's customer support for assistance. Maintain a record of your login attempts and any error messages for reference. This will help streamline the troubleshooting process if assistance is needed. Be sure to monitor your bank feeds regularly to catch any future issues early. With these steps, you should be able to restore your bank feed connection successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.